Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be preparing for you all pan-seared salmon served with a honey mustard sauce and sautéed vegetables. So if you all would like to see how I prepare this dish, join me and let's go. The first thing we're going to do is get our nice fresh salmon. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look so good? So right now I have about a 1/4 cup of flour. So just sprinkle salt in there, some black pepper, and paprika. When you're preparing your salmon, make sure it's at room temperature. Shake off the excess flour. All right, guys, so far I have in here about a 1/2 tablespoon of mustard. You can use any type of mustard you would like. And I have about a tablespoon of rum. We're gonna probably use about a tablespoon of honey. We can always add more. Teaspoon of garlic and a splash of water. Okay, once you have all your ingredients together, mix and put in a small saute pan. There's our lovely salmon. Just take some olive oil and make sure you preheat your pan. So you want your salmon to be a golden brown color. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. It looks so nice. So what I'm going to do now is throw the salmon in the oven for about 5 minutes. It's almost done. Red peppers and onion mixture. So we could go ahead and add our snow peas. Look at that, guys. All right, time to taste our vegetables. See if we need to add anything to it. Oh my God, perfect. That is delicious. All right, guys, so I went ahead and took the salmon out the oven. It's done, yay. So now we got my sauce back here. It's done as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain the garlic. So I'm gonna first start off with our wonderful vegetables. Okay. We just put it right on top of our veggies. And we just drizzle that right on top of the salmon. Oh, that looks great. Right there, right down in the middle. I chopped up some fresh parsley. You can add dill as well. Just garnish it just like that on your plate. Good job, guys. All right, guys. You know my favorite part, time to taste. So I added a splash of lemon juice on my fish and also a slice of lemon just for garnish. Citrus and fish go very well together. All right, guys, let's taste. Honey mustard sauce and some vegetables. My vegetables are still al dente. I like a little crunch. The salmon and the honey mustard sauce complement each other so well. And then you have the splash of lemon juice. Very good. So if you all prepare this dish, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know. And we did a good job. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Until next time, bye.